Hey there guys, Erica here from High49RC. Welcome back, hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to give the SCX-10 here a little bit of bench time, because what I noticed is the front drive shaft is at a rather steep angle down in there. And I think it's causing, or because of the steep angle, it's binding and causing the front wheel to lurch as it's rotating. So my plan here is to replace it with this RC 4-wheel drive Punisher shaft that is 100 to 130 millimeters. Can't really show you guys, sorry about that. But it's 100 to 130 millimeters long. And some people might just say, well, why don't you just clock your axle forward? But see, the problem I have with that is that I installed an RC 4-wheel drive chassis mounted servo kit not too long ago, and that doesn't really allow me to clock my axle forward because of the pan hard back there. I know it's hard to see and describe, but I assure you it's not really much of a possibility. So I'm going to try and replace the drive shaft, hope that maybe I can get a slightly steeper angle out of this one here. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I mean by the lurching in slow motion here real quick. Alright, now that you guys have seen what I'm talking about, I'm just going to go ahead and install the drive shaft, because you guys have seen me install drive shafts before and it's really a non-trivial process. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it done, take a couple minutes, and then come back and I'll show you guys another slow-mo of what it's like with the RC 4-wheel drive Punisher shaft installed, rather than the MIP that I currently have. Here's the old shaft versus the new on the top there, and the MIP is on the bottom. There we go. New drive shaft is installed. Splines are greased. First impressions, it feels a little kind of loosey-goosey in there. But, I mean, should be okay. And the splines were also pretty rough in there as well. But, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it'll be alright. Let's go and check out the slow-mo. Well, I think you'll agree with me here. It's not perfect, but it's significantly better than it was, because before it was making all sorts of racket. You could visibly see it jittering a lot more than you did with the new one. And I don't know. I'm really not a fan of how like loose and jump, like the amount that moves and the amount of play there is in the drive shaft itself. I don't know, I'm really not a fan of that. If you guys have any ideas of maybe how to fix that, post up in the comment section down below. But other than that, I'm happy. It was a good fix and a good experiment. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little video. and enjoyed using, or I enjoyed using the slow-mo footage to kind of help me see the difference here, because maybe for some of you guys on camera, using this camera that I'm using now, you really wouldn't have been able to see the jerking as much as you would have been able to with the slow-mo. So, that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like if this does happen to be the first video that you have seen by me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to get notified of other cool videos just like this one. So, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.